For open-ended text training, open your classifier and click Open-ended text training. The page will open in edit mode, and the word edit will be in red at the top right of the screen. In edit mode, you can enter text into the viewport. You can type, copy and paste, or drag and drop in a single Microsoft Word document. We recommend that your text fits within the viewport. To label sentences, click Classify at the top right of your screen. The toggle will show that you are now in classification mode. To label a single sentence, click on it. The selected sentence will be highlighted in yellow. On the right, FirstPass will tell you that one sentence is selected. To remove the selection, click on the cross. With a sentence selected, click in the Add New Label box at the bottom right of your screen. Type in a name for your label. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Your label will appear in the Classifier Labels box. To add another label, repeat this process. At this point, these labels are temporary, and if you want to discard one, you can click on the bin icon. To confirm your labels and add them to the sentence, select each one by clicking on it. The selected labels will turn red with a red tick. You can add up to 3 labels to each sentence. Click the red Supervise button, and the labeled sentence will be added to your training files. To label another sentence, you can click on it. You can also use the previous and next buttons to navigate through the text. The labels you assigned to your first sentence will appear on the right. These labels have now been added to your classifier, so they have a colored dot. Each label will have its own color. Select any labels which apply to your new sentence. Click on a label again if you want to deselect it. You can also create a new label. As before, confirm your chosen labels, then click Supervise. The labels in your training file will turn blue, with a 100% and a confirmation icon. And the sentences which have a training file will turn green. To assign the same labels to more than one sentence, hold down the Control key and click on all the sentences you want to include. If you are using a Mac, hold down the Command key while selecting your sentences. Let go of the Control or Command key. Your selected sentences will be highlighted in yellow. You can then label this group of sentences in the same way as a single sentence. To add to or change the text you are labeling, return to Edit mode. This will not affect the training files you have already saved. We recommend that you start by training all the labels into your classifier. For the best results, we recommend using between 2 and 6 labels. Whilst the platform is under development, you may not see a confirmation every time you click Supervise. If this happens, you can check your training files to make sure your labeled sentence has been saved. As you progress, FirstPass will start to make predictions about the text. When nothing is selected, you will see more information about each label. The percentages show how much of the text FirstPass is currently assigning to each label. The lines underneath each label show where these sentences are located in the text. Click on the arrow to see a different view. Click on each label, and the sentences assigned to that label will be highlighted in yellow. The grey label is for sentences that FirstPass hasn't assigned a label to. Select a sentence, and the labeling options will appear on the right. Predicted labels will appear in blue.